Hey, Apostolos. Oh my gosh, it's the periodic table of elements!
Hey guys, welcome to the new DCDS YouTube chemistry channel. Today's topic is the periodic table.
The periodic table was created by Mendeleev, who wished to organize the known elements in groups that would display certain trends.
Woo!
Yay! Four main trends are atomic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, and electronegativity. The first trend we'll explain is atomic radius. From left to right, the atomic number increases, and therefore there are a greater number of protons, which pull the electron to a smaller radius. Similarly, from top to bottom, the radius increases due to a large number of principal energy levels the electrons reside in. In terms of ions, anions are larger than atoms, while cations are smaller than atoms. Anions have a bigger radius than atoms because an addition of one electron causes more electron repulsion. However, with the loss of an electron, there's fewer electron repulsions and the size of the cation decreases. The second trend is ionization energy. Ionization energy is the energy needed to strip an electron from its atom, a trend which increases left to right due to a larger nuclear attraction to the electron. From top to bottom, ionization energy decreases because the electrons reside in orbitals that are farther from the nucleus and are more prone to escaping. Third trend is electron affinity. Electron affinity is the change in energy when an electron is added to an atom. From left to right on the periodic table, electron affinity increases. Electron affinities don't change moving down a group.
Yay!
The fourth trend in the periodic table of elements is electronegativity. Electronegativity is how strongly the nucleus of an atom attracts the electrons of other atoms in a bond. Electronegativities of elements are based on ionization energies and electron affinities. Electronegativity increases from left to right across a period and decreases going down a group. Fluorine is the most electronegative element on the periodic table. Today we are also going to tell you about the major groups in the periodic table. The first is the alkali metals. One example is lithium. The second group is called the alkaline metals. One example is barium. Certain metals, like the ones we just named from group 1 and 2, form metal oxides that are basic anhydrides in water. Group 7 is called the halogens and are the ones that are prone to forming anions. They exist in diatomic molecules in their natural form. And group 8 consists of the noble gases: King Helium, Queen Neon, Prince Argon, and the Princess Krypton, Duke Xenon, and Duchess Radon. All noble gases are nonmetals that are very unreactive because they have completely filled their valence shells. They exist as monatomic gases at room temperature. The placement of elements on the periodic table of elements shows the electron configuration of those elements. For example, the alkali and alkaline metals make up the S block. The block starting with boron and the metalloids and nonmetals is the P block. The block containing the transitional metals is the D block, and the block below the usual periodic table that includes the lanthanide and actinide series is the F block. These different blocks represent the different orbitals that a certain element contains. For example, for aluminum, its electron configuration would start from the upper left of the table and read 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1, ending with the position of aluminum. Thanks for listening. I hope you guys learned something about the periodic table of elements.